Everyone, listen. We received the message that our king, Rurik, my beloved father, is dead. He fought against the great bear, Bernhard Muncher, in the halls of the Byzantine Emperor in Constantinople, but sadly lost the battle. And as it was my father's wish, I will now rule over the kingdom of Rus. My brother Ingvar stands beside me, and together we will secure our father's dream and destiny, to finally unite all the Rus in one single empire. I hereby demand the full support and obedience of all jarls and chiefs of this realm. Swear your fealty to me, and I promise, by Perun our Slavic god, that we will become a flourishing great power. I know that I am a bastard, and my father believed in the Nordic gods, but I will come towards each of you now. The Slavic faith and customs will be brought back, and I myself am going to fight for the champions, to prove my worth as a leader. Keep your banners and armies ready, my friends, for there will be much to do. But for now, let the festival continue. Feast and drink. Raise your glasses for Rurik. So, my father died, ripped apart by a bear. He came so close to becoming a legend. His loss has truly shaken all of the Rus. But I myself am not a wolf warrior. I am, in fact, the leader of the Champions of Perun. While my father gathered fame in the name of Atu, I have become a true Slavic hero. And where my father's journey ended, mine shall begin. So let's go. Gather the champions for another legend. My trusted half-brother shall assist me in the politics of the realm. Also, Turish, the Jarl of Moscow, has risen to power and respect, so I will grant him the position of steward. Technically, my wife would be the best spymaster, but I know a little trick that my beloved father showed me. Turish does not like me very much, so I will try to change that. Also, the crown focus shall be set in Homburger. And of course I need to set my son up as the heir to this mighty kingdom, while I will try to have a daughter. Now, my intrigue is extremely low, and the best way to increase it is by yes, whoring around. What else would it be? Now it is time to fill up the ranks of my commanders. Ingvar shall be the first one. The others, I will just pick the best. In case of the designated regent, I will also appoint Ingvar. Since I can afford it, the provinces also deserve a few upgrades. Most is still locked behind technology, but what we can build, we shall build. Also, it is time to give out some honorary titles. No other than Ingvar will be the master of the blade. Maybe I can make Turish like me more if I give him 2 straight away. Finally I can start the time again. And immediately sell the child to the chief of Merya. Just setting this random dude up as honorable elder. Now, as a follower of the Slavic faith, I can worship my gods whenever I like. I have more than enough prisoners to feed their endless hunger. So those who can be bought by their loved ones are very lucky. The cash goes straight into bribing Turish into being my friend. The problem is, he still hates me like hell. I have to do everything in my power to change this. Always feels good making business with you, sir. Oh no. Turish is gaining more power. Rebels. Oh no. How many of them are there? Oh, this is bad. 2 giant armies of them gather around Tur. Rise up, my troops, and form an army. Ah, it is always good having a girl before storming into certain death. I will take her as a concubine, so that there will be no trouble with children later on. I stand not a single chance. I can't intervene for now. My only hope is that I can gather more men for the fight before they come for me. For now, they are busy with ravaging Tur. Strangely, the last commander I have left is Turish. Some mistakes were made. As I expected, she got pregnant. But I made sure this is no problem whatsoever. They're demolishing everything down there. And I can't do anything but stare. Lucky I got a chance to honor Turush. It is a fitting excuse for not protecting his lands, and as expected, another unliked vassal arrested in Constantinople. Rurik would be proud. Now I can let my wife be the spy master, but no studying technology for her. Finally a daughter has been born. Ambition fulfilled. Now I will focus on getting some friends. I have no other choice but to call the champions of Perun for aid in this dire hour. This will bump our legend down a little bit, but if it protects our mighty kingdom it will trade off well. Speaking of protecting our kingdom, I should pray to make more friends amongst my people. And with that, my friends, the time has come for battle. To death or glory. That's one taken out. Patience wins at the end. And with that, we have finally restored peace to the realm. To be totally honest, I was afraid these rebels could actually break away from our kingdom. The gods are truly on our side if we were able to prevent this. I pray for the people to calm down again and keep the peace going on, for now. The bird has brought me a book. Well, I surely am inspired now to write down a few pages. But there is something else I have to do. In order to ensure lasting peace and prosperity, I will commission a runestone in honor of my father Rurik. Let us all not forget his great dream of a greater Rus empire. And it is already finished. In memory of Rurik. I am certain that now the big crisis is over, and we can go on to fulfilling his destiny. But it's for the best if I focus on rulership for now. I know I was just talking about peace a few seconds ago, but it is time that the Rus march on to the Mary River. We will not strike him directly, however, as the civil war has weakened us. After just a little bit of recovery, we will march on and subjugate Maria. The time has come. Now the Rus will march on to the river and secure this lands. Onwards, raise the banners and crush the enemy. What is this? Another uprising. Damn you Turush, can you not keep the people in check? Relax, calm down, we got this. Okay, that is them out of the way, now back to the actual war. Oh no, this is bad. Quick, get out of there as fast as possible. Damn, it's too late already. Victory. A surprise to be sure, but a welcome one. But they got us this time. Damn. I have to recover my forces behind the river. Maybe I can taunt them into an attack if I just stand next to them and still get the defense bonus. I am sure if they come attacking us now, we will sweep the floor with them. As predicted, another victorious battle. No, Turush, you can't do this. Not now. Why? I have done literally everything for you, you bastard. Why are you betraying me now? Ha! I got the chief of Mary. Good, so I can finish of this war and focus on Turish instead.
I am happy each of you made it well to this secret location. Now listen here, my friends. The threat of the Rus is looming over all of us, but now we have a chance to strike at this monstrosity together. The Rus are currently fighting a heavy civil war, and with our combined effort, they cannot stand a chance against us. So, what do you say?